Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting midstream. Open TikTok, tap the plus sign, and record or upload the clip you'll narrate. Once done, trim your clip to the desired length so timing won't shift. Next, tap text, type the exact words you want voiced, and place the text where it should appear. Make sure punctuation and capitalization reflect natural speech. This first run-through ensures the TikTok editor has the final text and timing ready before you switch to a voice option. Now focus on execution. Long press the text and choose text-to-speech or voiceover depending on your app version. You'll see a list of voices. Tap each to preview and pick the tone that matches your content. If phrases run long or overlap scene cuts, split the text into multiple boxes and set each box's display duration to align with visuals. Also, make small edits in punctuation to change intonation. Commas create pauses, while dashes add emphasis. This step controls clarity and cadence. Finish by previewing the whole video. Play it back and listen for timing, pacing, and pronunciation. If it sounds off, adjust text boxes, punctuation, or split lines and preview again. When satisfied, add captions or sounds, then post or save as private to review later. If the text-to-speech option is missing, make sure TikTok is updated, restart the app, and check regional restrictions. If that fails, reinstall. One troubleshooting tip: changing a single comma to a period often fixes awkward pauses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.